हाँ, B for
B for
जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी बताओ।
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
fish,
G for
goat,
H for
cat,
I for
goat,
I for
horse,
H for horse हो गया I for I for
ice,
J for
ice cream,
J for
yogurt,
K for
kangaroo,
L for
lion,
M for
monkey,
N for
ant,
O for O for
ant,
O for O for बेटा O for